course, you have a good body alignment. Mana, on your back.
We are future MAPI teachers. Of course, we're not stressed.
Mana, we need to submit our documents. Let's work on it. Hi, stress.
Hello, ma'am. So good morning once again. I am Engineer Castañas and we are currently third-year students of Somerset University taking up Bachelor of Physical Education, and since it is part of our midterm requirement to interview some of the MAPI teachers, you are one of the luckiest.
Hi,
Na mo na-interview yan na. So before anything else, can you please state your name, your age, what grade level are you currently teaching? And can you please specify your rank as a teacher, teacher 1, 2, 3, etc. And how many years have you been in a teaching profession?
So my name is Rhea Dacanay, of course from Yabong, and I am already 36 years old. So what grade level are I am currently teaching grade 9. And of course, grade 3.
As a MAPI teacher, how are you preparing yourself to become a globally competent teacher for the 21st century?
Obviously, paano ko lang namin of course, through training. Because kung marinig sa mga training, your skills will
Another one, what are some strategies or methods you are employing to become a global teacher?
as a classroom teacher, not be like
We all know that 21st century is more on the technology tools, the brand using and fashion cycle. Now we have 5 questions that focus on the teacher's experiences, views, and techniques. The first one is, what is one memorable teaching experience you had that has positively impacted your teaching approach, and how has it influenced your teaching style or strategies?
we focus more on students. Kaya na mga tanong ko, we have one students that nangyayari niya. So, one of our initiative para din nalang behind ang pagkakita.
So, Mom, the second question is, can you share a specific tip or technique that you have found effective in engaging and motivating students in the classroom?
That is more effective for the students is debate dati nila yung strategy. In my case, kasi ito more on debate kami, mas effective ay kung usa ka topic nga pag-discussan mas qualifier.
The next question is, how do you create a collaborative and inclusive learning environment where students feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and ideas?
Music collaborative, kailangan all of the students or some of the students, they are there to participate. And then inclusive. You consider all the students or you treat them in fair, diba? No? Walang bias, all of the opinions, you must accept that. You have to accept all of the ideas of the students, encourage all of the students to participate. For example, in a groupings.
Next question. Can you provide an example of challenging situation you've encountered in your teaching career and how you successfully manage it?
Kaya ako pinaka-challenging ba din lang kasi ini nga mga hazardous na mga risk na mga student nga di rin na para sulod talaga. What we did is nakato talaga kami nag-research. Nung found out niyo nga sugay nga ito mga reasons ang kabataan na may mga cases ng mga absenteeism.
What advice would you give to new or aspiring teachers who are looking to develop their own effective teaching strategies?
Okay, in terms of our work, so then nag-enjoy kay hapon ka mo labi naman iba-iba different students may encounter niyo and different attitudes sa advice sa aspiring teachers ilog na lang niyo kung gusto niyo inihiya nga profession ka love and work in that way ma-follow na liwat ang mga positive nga makukuha niyo
Alright, thank you so much. We've learned a lot of things from you, including the different strategies
Hindi mo lang
and methods
kinuhanan, bibinudjugan.
about how you can be able to be globally competent teacher in the 21st century. Above all, we are very grateful for spending your time, even if lunchtime na, gintagan mo lang ako kami tayo nga mag-interview.